Hello, I'd like to introduce you to my friend Benjamin and his friend Benjamin and his friend Benjamin and Benjamin and Benjamin and Benjamin and Benjamin. This is what's called 10 racks, as they say in the hood. That's $10,000 right here. And this is the amount of money I make every single day online. Now, how to make money online? It's a huge question. It's a huge question. It's the goal of like everybody on the planet. How can you use a computer to make money? How can you use a computer to make money? Because if you can make money on the internet, you can live anywhere you want to be. You can do anything you want to do. You can work anytime you want to work with your time. Now, every day I wake up and I have a choice to make. I have a lot of choices. I can do anything I want with my time because my business is completely automated. My business allows me to make $10,000 every single day. And I'm actually going to show you in this training that I'm holding this week exactly how you can build your own online business, how you can actually copy and paste a business with that's already proven, like a franchise owner. Don't be an entrepreneur. Do not be an entrepreneur. Be a franchise owner. You can model something that's already proven and you can use it to make lots of money online. Here, let me show you. So here, come over here. So this is my computer over here, and this here, let me show you. This is the amount of money I make. This is one of my accounts. And this is the amount of money I make every single day. $3,473 I've made just so far today. That's just so far today. Here, come here. $6,252. Here's what I've made so far this month, okay? Here's what I've made so far this month. Current sales. That's $299,000. It's about $10,000 every single day. Look at what I made last month. Last month, $339,579.49. Now, on this free training that I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to be giving this away. All this money here, I'm actually going to be giving it away to you. To those of you that are on this training and who are engaged, I'm going to be giving this away because I want people to understand what it is like, that this is possible. But what you have to do, here, come back here, is you have to understand how the system works. You have to understand, we've been taught to use our hands. We've been taught to work for companies. We've been taught to work for hourly wages or monthly salaries like chattel slaves. We've been conditioned through the education system. Don't ask questions, stay your role, wait your turn. They've conditioned us through a governmentally controlled education system to stick in our place and work a job which will never afford us the ability to make serious money and live a life of freedom. The computer democratizes everything. This is your chance to make money and make a lot of it. This is your chance to make serious cash. Now, if you sign up for this training, when you sign up for this training, I will be giving away, I'll be explaining to you how I am giving away this money, and I will be showing you how you can get it, okay? I'm also going to be showing you how you can make this sort of money every single day without having a prior existing audience, without having to invest lots of your own money, without having to spend a lot of your time, without having to buy products and start an e-commerce or an Amazon FBA or drop shipping or Shopify business, without having to do sales calls every day, and without having to deal with all of the hassles, just using a computer to earn you money. That's all you need. All you need is a laptop or desktop computer to earn you money, and that's what I'm going to show you in this training. So sign up. There should be a link somewhere around this video, and I'm going to show you how to make the Benjamins, how to make friends with some of these guys, make time for money. I'm going to show you the way, and it's really exciting on the other side. So let's get it. I'll see you on the training.